In episode 14, you built your first Python classes. Bank accounts, grade trackers, real objects with real data. But your objects still print ugly output like angle bracket bank account at 0x7f. They cannot be compared with double equals. They have no readable string form. I am Ahaz. Today in episode 15, OOP Part 2, you will learn the secret methods that make Python objects feel native. Dunder methods, properties, class methods, and static methods. This is what separates a beginner class from a professional one. Let's go. Let me show you the problem first. You create a product class. You print it. You get angle bracket product object at memory address. Useless. You compare two products with the same name. Python says they are not equal. Wrong. You have no way to get the product count across all objects. Dunder methods solve all three problems. _str makes print work beautifully. _eq makes comparison work correctly. _len lets you call len on your objects. Python calls these methods automatically behind the scenes. Every built-in type, lists, strings, integers, uses them. Now you will too. _str is the most important Dunder method. It controls what print shows for your object. Without it, print gives you that ugly memory address. Define _str inside your class. Return a formatted string using self.name and self.price. Now print a product gives you exactly what you want. _ representing is the developer version. It shows in the interactive terminal when you just type the object name. str is for users. Representing is for developers. Always define str first. Add representing when you need detailed debugging output. These two methods completely transform how your objects communicate. _eq controls the double equals operator. Without it, two products with the same name are not equal. Python compares memory addresses by default. With _eq, you define what equal means. Return self.name equals other.name. Now two products with the same name are equal. _lt controls the less than operator. Return self.price less than other.price. Now you can sort a list of products by price automatically. Python's sorted function calls _lt behind the scenes. _len lets you call len on your object. Return the length of self.items or any count that makes sense. The app property decorator turns a method into a smart attribute. You access it like an attribute, but it runs code behind the scenes. Define a method called fullName with app property above it. Return self.firstname plus space plus self.lastname. Now you access it as person.fullName, no parentheses needed. The setter uses @fullName.setter above a second method. Split the incoming string and set first and last name separately. Now person.fullName equals Alicon, and both parts are set. Properties protect your data. You can validate before setting. You can compute on the fly. This is one of the most powerful Python patterns. Class methods and static methods are two more essential tools. A class method belongs to the class, not to any specific object. Use @classmethod decorator and CLS as the first parameter instead of self. CLS refers to the class itself. Class methods are perfect as alternative constructors. From string takes a string like Ollie, 25, splits it, and returns a new person object. This is how Python's datetime module works. A static method belongs to the class for organization only. No self, no CLS. It gets no automatic reference. Use @staticmethod for pure utility functions that logically belong to the class. Is valid age checks if a number is between 0 and 150. No object needed, just a helper that lives inside the class namespace. Our mini project, a smart product catalog using everything you learned today. The product class has name, price, and category. _str returns a clean formatted string. _eq compares products by name. _lt sorts products by price. The discounted price property computes the sale price on the fly. From string is a class method alternative constructor. is valid price is a static method that validates the price. We create 3 products: laptop, phone, tablet. We sort them with Python's built-in sorted. It just works. We access discounted price as an attribute. No function call needed. Everything feels native. Everything is clean. Your challenge for today: build a smart temperature class. Step 1. Store temperature in Celsius internally. Step 2. Property Fahrenheit that converts on the fly. Step 3. Property Kelvin that converts on the fly. Step 4. _str that prints nicely. For example, 25 degrees Celsius. Step 5. _EQ compares 2 temperatures by a Celsius value. Step 6. Class method from Fahrenheit that creates a temperature object from Fahrenheit input. Step 7. Static method is freezing that returns true if temperature is at or below 0. Test with these values: 100 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius. Paste your complete code in the comments. I check every single one and reply. Let's recap episode 15. _star controls what print shows for your object. Representing developer version shown in the terminal. EQ controls the double equals operator. _LT controls less than, enables sorting. len lets you call len on your object. @property turns a method into a smart readable attribute. @classmethod belongs to the class, used as alternative constructors. @staticmethod utility function inside the class namespace. Mini project, smart product catalog, using all 8 features. You now write Python classes that feel exactly like built-in types. Tomorrow, episode 16, iterators and generators. The most memory-efficient Python pattern. OOP Part 2, mastered. Your classes now behave like professional Python objects. Subscribe, a new episode every single day. Drop your temperature challenge in the comments. See you in episode 16 tomorrow.